Best 90K plus remote jobs that pay in USD. Non-tech skills needed. Mercor review. Is your skill worth $100,000 but your bank account disagrees? You are being underpaid. You know your expertise is valuable, but your local wage keeps you stuck. The only real way to fix that is to start getting paid in dollars. I founded the secret tool that makes this possible. It's called Mercor. Mercor is built to match great talent from anywhere with top US companies who pay in USD guaranteed. They are the fast lane to financial freedom. Stop scrolling. Your dream job is waiting. Click the link right now. It's the first one in the description below. That link takes you straight to Mercor. You need to act fast because these high-paying jobs have limited spots. Mercor is not just for software developers. They need specialized knowledge in everything. They have jobs like AI sales and marketing tutor, paying up to an unbelievable $200,000 a year. They also need people for system design specialist, up to $200K per year, and competitive math expert, $50 to $100 per hour. If you're a specialist, Mercor will make sure your knowledge is paid in dollars. So how do you actually grab one of these life-changing salaries? Mercor doesn't waste your time with endless applications. They only care about your skills. You sign up, take a skill test, and once you pass, you are matched directly to top companies. No more applying to hundreds of dead-end jobs. You get paid in USD, reliably, every time. This is the financial freedom you deserve. These are long-term careers, giving you real stability working remotely. You are earning less than you're worth. Right now, don't waste another day. Mercor is actively looking for high-value talent, and you are that talent. This is the moment to change your life. The only way to access these exclusive dollar-paying jobs is through my link. Click the link in the description now, start the assessment, and secure your $100,000 plus salary. If this video finally showed you the path to better pay, hit the like button and subscribe. Go now. Click the link in the description below before the positions get filled. You don't want to miss. Start the process and get paid in dollars. Work from anywhere stress-free. Which of these high-paying jobs are you applying for first? Let me know in the comments.